Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with cleaning those hard-to-reach areas between your teeth, you're not alone. We all know how vital it is to maintain proper oral hygiene, but sometimes those extra tight spaces just seem impossible to get to. Well, today, we're taking a look at something that promises to make that job easier. Dentek Easy Brush Cleaners, extra tight spaces, 16 count, 6-pack. For many of us, flossing isn't always enough. We need tools that are specifically designed to tackle those stubborn spots, especially if you wear braces or have other dental work. These brush cleaners are designed to fit between most teeth, even those narrower spaces, helping remove food particles and plaque buildup. But how well do they really perform in real life? Let's dive in. The Dentek Easy Brush Cleaners are built to fit tight spaces, ranging from 2.0 to 3.0 millimeters, making them perfect for people with crowded teeth or braces. The flexible handle makes it easy to maneuver, and the 16-count pack ensures you're stocked up for a while. The bristles themselves are designed to gently remove debris without damaging your gums, which is an important factor when choosing an oral care product like this. But how do they feel in practice? After using them consistently for a week, I found that they were surprisingly effective at getting into those hard-to-reach spaces. The small, tapered brush really does make a difference when it comes to getting between tight teeth. Plus, the flexible handle ensures you have full control, allowing you to reach the back molars without straining your hand. But there are some things worth noting. First, the bristles are soft, which is great for comfort, but I did feel that they could have been just a little stiffer to offer more thorough cleaning. For those who need heavy-duty plaque removal, they might not feel as effective. However, for regular upkeep and gentle cleaning, they do the job well. As for the value, considering the price and the fact that you get 6 packs with 16 brushes in each, it's a solid deal, especially if you're someone who needs these regularly. But if you're looking for a more advanced, deep cleaning tool, you might want to explore other options. Now, is this the best brush cleaner on the market? Let's be honest, it's a great option for daily cleaning between tight teeth, but there are alternatives that offer a firmer bristle for a more intensive clean. If you're on a budget, however, these might be the perfect fit for keeping your oral care routine on track. Customer support for Dentek has been responsive in my experience, and their reputation is pretty solid. It's always reassuring when a brand has good customer service, especially when it comes to products that we use on a daily basis. If you're looking for something that gives you more pressure or more heavy-duty scrubbing, there are alternatives that might better suit your needs. But overall, the Dentek Easy Brush Cleaners serve their purpose well and are a great tool for maintaining oral hygiene on a budget. So, who would benefit most from these? If you're someone who has braces or tight teeth and needs a gentle, easy-to-use tool for cleaning, this is a solid choice. For those with larger gaps or needing a more aggressive clean, you might need something a bit different. Thanks for watching, and if this review was helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all our latest reviews. If you're ready to try the Dentek Easy Brush Cleaners, check out the link in the description box or comments below. If you've used these before, let us know your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.